Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Git on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, what you have to do is just open up your browser and then on Google search for download Git. Then just go to the first link. Then in here, you'll see the latest version of Git. Just click on download for Windows. Now, if your operating system is 32-bit, download the first one. And if it is 64-bit, download the second one. In my case, it is 64-bit, so I'm gonna download the second one. Then just wait for it to be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, click on Open File. Click on Yes. Then just click on Next. After that, just choose where you want to install the program and click on Next. Click on Next again. Once again, click on Next. Click on Next. Then again, click on Next. Click on Next once more. Once again, click on Next. Next, 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 Next. Again, Next. One last time, Next. And then click on Install. Then just uncheck this and check Launch Git Bash. Click on Finish. And that is how to download and install Git on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.